TIBCO data science and machine learning platforms integrate with Google TensorFlow and Amazon SageMaker using the custom operator framework. TIBCO also integrates with Microsoft Azure, CNTK, as well as open source frameworks such as H2O and Apache Spark. Spotfy Data Science is a cloud-based platform and is frequently deployed to both private and public clouds. It leverages both static and elastic cloud compute resources, including for customers running in AWS with AMR and Redshift, and customers in Azure. The platform supports standard Hadoop as well as other distributions such as Hortonworks, Cloudera, and MapR. The custom operator extensions SDK can be used to create capabilities that control the sizing of the cloud compute instances. In addition, TIBCO Grid Server can be used to expand computations to the cloud when needed. The Grid Server solution on AWS can actively allocate resources via the cloud-based on level of urgency. By employing TIBCO Grid Server on AWS, customers can take advantage of on-demand cloud computing with an almost infinite capacity for computation-intensive applications. For example, the Grid Server software can turn risk reports for stock traders from a 6 to 8 hour process to a 15-minute intraday cycle, enabling traders to make more educated decisions. The platform uses distributed computing for all stages of the analytics workflow. The platform provides total flexibility to push computational loads to a distributed computing environment such as databases or Spark. The point-and-click interface of the platform represents a no-code front-end for designing analytic pipelines that will execute in many distributed environments, including Hadoop, Spark, Hive, MPP databases. Python and PySpark notebooks can also be managed through the workflow environment and computations pushed into distributed environments. One of the issues data scientists face when dealing with Apache Spark is tuning job parameters so that the job is executed without any failures. One of TIBCO's key innovations in the augmented analytics space is Spark auto-tuning. The platform performs data science on the metadata and essentially extracts information regarding the size of the datasets, the current and projected load on the cluster, and combines that information to determine the appropriate number of Spark workers to spin up, as well as how much memory to allocate. Users have the option to overwrite this and create their own configurations. This innovation significantly reduces the load on an analytics practitioner as they no longer have to manually optimize every single job.